During the Christmas time, every day in the buffet, the chefs, especially the junior chefs, are told to make some creative stuff and do some kind of cooking. Here, we're going to make fried chicken, the green chicken, the red chicken, and some golden chicken, and we're going to put it on a Christmas tree like. So these kind of things are very common when you go and see in 5-star hotel buffets. Whether you want to dip it in the tomato ketchup, hello. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. And today we're going to make a nice Christmas kind of tree with chicken, fried chicken. So the first one is going to be my chicken little nugget like thing. All the chicken, whatever I'm using, we have brined the chicken. That means we took the chicken pieces, we put in the salt water at least for 3 hours, then the chicken becomes nice and juicy. Especially if you put it overnight, your chicken will just melt in your mouth. In this chicken, I'm just going to use some panko breads. So very little of ginger garlic paste, not much. You want to add some herbs, that is fine. Salt, here you can get creative the way you want. I'm just going to add some pepper, a little bit of chaat masala. Whatever flavors you like, you can do it. A little bit of herb and chaat masala will do good. And in this, you can add a little bit of egg. Do not add too much, just a little bit of egg white should be good enough. The other egg, you're going to beat it and then you're going to use it for double coating. This is nice and perfect. But if you want the breadcrumbs to stick onto these little chicken pieces, all you do is roll them in the flour and then again put it in the egg and then in the breadcrumbs. That's when you get a perfect one. Take the flour, you want to season it a little bit, that's also fine. Take these pieces, make sure that individual small chicken pieces are also just coated in the flour. Only then you will get this perfect. And making them so small, kids love it. Just toss it in the flour like this. Once you roll in this chicken, beat the egg, even you can add a little bit of water in there. And take these chicken pieces one by one, drop it in there, coat it a little bit. Now, look at here, drop these pieces in the breadcrumb and just coat them well, keep them ready. When you are ready to fry, fry them and serve them. Especially when you are cooking for a party, you just make this in advance, put in the fridge and whenever you want, you can fry them. The next thing, we're going to use nice green color from the spinach. Boiled spinach which has been pasted. In this, we're going to add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. In this, add green chilli, little bit of nutmeg powder, some coriander powder, cumin powder, nutmeg powder and the garlic paste in the ginger garlic will give a very nice taste to the spinach. Wherever I use spinach, I always use a little bit of nutmeg and garlic. If you are frying them just like this, you can add a little bit of corn flour and a little bit of all-purpose flour, toss them out and then you can fry. And if they start sticking together, what you need to do is you can add a little bit of oil. So this will prevent these chicken pieces because of all-purpose flour and corn flour, they'll start sticking. So a little bit of oil will help them separate out. The same thing we're going to do with chicken 65 with small bones here. So in this, we're going to add the Kashmiri chili powder, a little bit of salt, rest of the spices as you like. I'll always love to add a little bit of chopped curry leaf, some garam masala, some cumin powder, some coriander powder and in this pinch of flavoring salt. That will make it very tasty. Again, it's your choice. If you want, you can add it. In this, add a little bit of all-purpose flour, ginger garlic paste. That's it. Nice red color. This will be beautiful. So we got 3 colors. One is nice and golden for the bread. With the spinach, we got the green chicken, red chicken and the golden color. Absolutely perfect for your Christmas party snacks. A little bit of lemon juice. So first, we're going to fry the bread coated little chicken pieces. Chicken pieces, few at a time and fry till they are nice and golden. The thing is not to fry in a very hot oil nor in a cold oil. It has to be nice and hot, bubbling like this. That's when you will get it perfect. These chicken pieces will fry in just 3 minutes because they are small in size. Beauty is all the 3 chicken snacks we are able to make it in very short time. You can marinate them and make them. So they are so good. During the festival time, make sure one thing that you keep the chicken brined and ready. You can make many number of dishes when you have a perfectly brined chicken and look at them. Nice and so perfect. Fried chicken For a lot of people, they think it's hectic, but it is easiest because you drop all of them and then you will get them perfect. So the green, the spinach one, just because I added a little bit of oil in it, these pieces will slide off from your hand much more easier. Those simple tricks is what you will learn in a lot of these cooking on YouTube. So keep watching and learn different techniques. Fry them for just 4 minutes and these small chicken pieces will be done perfectly. A little bit smaller pieces, but the fragrance is really awesome. For the Christmas and New Year's, people love that nice red, green, golden, white colors. So make these snacks in these colors and you will just stand out. And another thing is, whenever you cut chicken pieces so small, do not fry them too much. Otherwise, they'll dry out and the snacks will not be nice. So keep them juicy and perfect. Look at them. Nice. Once I decorate these snacks, you will see how wonderful they look. And the last one is our red chicken, the chicken 65 with bone on. Just drop these pieces into the hot oil and when they come out, they will be nice and red. I love spicy food and this one has a lot more flavor and the aroma coming while I was frying because of the curry leaves, everything. And of course, that little bit of MSG. I have all 3 awesome chicken fried snacks done pretty fast. So these kinds of instant snacks, you can do it once again, brine the chicken and keep, and you will just enjoy it. Now, let me show you how to arrange it for your Christmas party or the New Year party. This is a little bit of effort. All you need to do is, I have taken a bottle guard, putting the toothpicks all over, spiking it up, and then we are going to arrange these things. The bottom one will be my chicken golden nugget-like pieces with the breadcrumb. Once you arrange all of these, it will look fabulous. And then we're going to go with the red one, the second layer, arrange like this. And on the top layer, we're going to use the green ones. Once this is done, it will look beautiful. Your guest will thoroughly enjoy it. The beautiful, the amazing, the fried chicken into a Christmas tree. You can make many Christmas trees. The best way is to make a Christmas tree with chicken. When you have this good, it's absolutely boomba boomba. So, take a chicken, whether you want to dip it in the tomato ketchup, or else you want to dip in the sauce, whatever sauce you serve. Look at this. What would kids feel about it? Such awesome, isn't it? This is what we used to do in a 5-star hotel. You can do this at home. Do these things with your children, and I'm telling you, they will just enjoy. And they will go back and they'll tell in the school, we made chicken Christmas tree, and that will be the talk. You want the spicy chicken 65? Who is the lucky guy? I say, who is the lucky guy? The one who gets to enjoy this food. Make it for your family. 3 different chicken snacks just done instantly. Keep cooking, keep saying whatever. Share these videos with your family and friends so they have a great festival season. Wow. Watch another Wow Magic with Chef Money.